How many sounds can you hear in the word and? And. A, n, d. And. 3 sounds. A, n, d. And. How about this word here? How many sounds can you hear in the word in? In. 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 Only 2 sounds. What about this word here? Naps. Naps. A, p, s. Naps. N, a, p, s. Naps. Let's make the word and. What was that first sound? A. A, n, d. I have to draw that one in. And. Good job. Let's make the word in. 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 Good job. This word's a little bit harder. Naps. A, p. And what was that last sound? Naps. N, a, p, s. Naps. 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 Can you make the word gets? Gets. G, e, t, s. What word does that make again? Gets. 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 I've got the word can. Can you change it to ban? Can you hear the sound change? Ban. Great. At the start. B. An. This is the word ban. Can you change it to bag? The sound changes at the end. We've just made bag. Can you change this word to bags? That's right. Bags. This is the word cab. Can you change it to cob? The sound change happens in the middle. Ah, cob. Can you change this word cob to sob? Sob. Well done. In the story you can read afterwards, you'll see this word sob. It means to cry. And you'll also see it written like this. Sobbed. The little girl sobbed because she got a dot on her top. Sobbed.